Alright, we have flow starting to slow down to the downside here. We've got 12 minutes left in this bar, and we're in an area of support. It looks like we're trying to spring this level, and we have a spring on the 5-minute chart right here. Think that we have a chance of maybe coming up and hopefully testing this level. So I went long here. Daily chart has a little weakness though. That we are at yesterday's low, so we need to hold here. If we start driving down, then I think we'll be going short the rest of the day. So this is a critical area. Alright, got in and out, a couple points here. Added on just one contract. Went ahead and exited here. Looks like we might be getting a pullback into this area. We have supply to the left here, and some resistance. So I went ahead and took my profit, and thinking that we might come down and test this area again, but it looks like strong demand, so I'd definitely be looking to go long again. Alright, put a position back in here, flow to the downside, this is slow down, got a 310 oscillator set up, and we rejected yesterday's lows, which were right in here. We do have this resistance we need to break through to the left, but if you look at the hourly, we're getting a spring. To me it looks like odds are this is probably going to be hopefully a run to at least test this level here at 2033. Hopefully 2040 might be possible. Alright, we traded right into this resistance and sold straight back off, so got out for, I think it might be break even, maybe slightly, maybe lost a tick, but sat through all this, had a good run into it, came right back down. So my guess is maybe we come down in spring here again. That's possible, but this could just be a washout too. Overall, not sure if a short is a great idea either. We have a spring here in the background. We may just be coming down to test the spring again. So just waiting to see what happens. It's been in a 3-point range since almost an hour. It's been in a 3-point range, and we're just staying in that range. So if we can spring the bottom of this, I'll look to get back in. But as it stands now, I gotta wait for this resistance to break to take any kind of risk. We did not react to the downside on this bar. We actually held up and turned around back to the upside. So went ahead and took a very small position here, getting back long. Looks to me like this is a higher high or higher low here, and we're trying to make a higher high. We still have that spring on the hourly chart. We came down and tested a little bit here. We're going to come down and test again, but to me, just the reaction of this bar, inability to follow through to the downside, is kind of a indication price could move higher. Add on to my position here. If it doesn't follow through, I'll exit and wait for maybe to come back and test at this level. But market's strong. 5 minutes, been holding. No supply on the test here. Very strong bar on the hourly. Good reaction to the spring. Alright, got out down here. I think I was wasn't paying attention to the shortening of the upward thrust right at resistance. Should have expected a pullback. That would have been a really good spot to get out. Instead, I held on a little too long. Should have at least closed out my add-on. It would have made about probably at least a couple points on it. But it looks like we're pulling back. And looking at the hourly, that's a pretty strong bar. We did stop at resistance. It's kind of a weaker bar. But hey, there might be a good chance of us holding support back in here. Right in here. So if we can turn around and spring off this level, that'd be a good spot to maybe go long. As it stands now, it's a pretty deep, swift correction, lots of supply coming from resistance. So it might just be a false breakout. Okay, went ahead and got back long. 3/4 of a point higher from where I got out. Really should have got out of in here. We are springing. 5-minute bar is a key reversal bar on top of support. Ease of movement in the background, solid demand. Need to keep a fairly wide stop on this, probably down in here, at least 3-point stop. But overall, daily strong. We rejected yesterday's lows. Maybe we got a lot of time left in the day. Good chance we could break above yesterday's highs. If we can do that, and should gives me another signal, I'll look to add on to the position there. I got 4 contracts total. In this particular trade, I'd probably buy another 2 or 3 of them if we can do that. But we really do need to break above this high. But we have a strong spring, good reaction, testing the demand in this bar. We should make a run for it at least. Alright, went ahead and covered about half my position. We're right under that high on the daily chart. I'm getting a little bit of shortening the upward thrusts. I covered 2 out of the 4 contracts. And we'll try to hold the other 2, at least try to hold them for an overnight swing trade. I think this market is acting pretty strong. And the bars have been pretty strong on hourly even too. This is a strong bar. We may come back and test, pull back 4 or 5 points. If we do, I'll buy back that plus another couple contracts. I'll have a total of 6. Also 2 closes are making less and less progress in the 9,000, and it's making me think we're probably going to get a pullback, but I don't want to get out of my full position. Alright, I went ahead and bought back my 2 contracts and bought a couple extra, so I have a total of 6 now.
Wow, your TNA turn.
Alright, went ahead and exited my trade, got about a tick profit on this one. Just flat the whole trade. We're right under that resistance at 2047.5. Just couldn't get through it. It may make another run at it, but you see this looks a little climactic to me. That's a lot of volume, and just couldn't make much progress here. Still think I'd look to go long this market, and it may break out, but I'm under resistance. Might as well take the money off the table. The hourly is looking like this could give us cause to come down and test 2040, which is about 5.5 points away. So went ahead and just took my profit there. Still have my TNA from earlier this morning. Going to try to hold on to that for a longer swing trade. So 2, shortening the upward thrusts. No demand. Just think we're probably going to get a pullback.